guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's Vlogmas day 6. So today we'll be making a drawstring scrunchies. I know you guys have heard of scrunchies before. Scrunchies for headband, there's the headband load, there's one for tying your hair and all. So we are doing a drawstring scrunchies, not the one with rubber now. So we are doing the drawstring what? Scrunchies. So let's get right with it. So I have scraps of fabric here. I have 3 different fabrics. You can see they are different. So we're using these fabrics to make our drawstring scrunchies. And it is good for gifts for your clients. You can make it for yourself. You can make it for your kids. You can just make it. Just you have pieces of fabrics in your shops, in your houses. Just cut them, and I'll be showing you how to cut it and sew it and use it. Give it to as someone a gift. It's December, share gifts with people. It doesn't matter how little it is. Doesn't matter how little it is. What matters is the mindset of you what's giving people what gift. So let me show you how we are going to cut it. So we have what different fabrics here. I'm using this for my rope or my drawstring. Yeah. So this one now, I'm measuring 4 inches. So I'll be cutting 4 inches. This is the length I'll be using. The length is 27 inches and the wideness is 4 inches. I need more fabrics now. This is not as long as this, so I have to cut 4 inches, join together till I get what 27 inches. So I'll cut 4 inches, 4 inches, and join it together to get what 27 inches. So I've cut for 4 inches wide for this. I'll take to the machine and join them together to have a straight one. So I'll now measure 27 inches and cut out some 27 inches. So this is it. I'll join them together. So I have excess. So I'll cut this off. So this is the right side, this is the wrong side, and this is the right side now. I'll place it like this and I'll sew this place. I'm joining the two together to have something like this. So I'll sew it together straight down on 0.5 inch. So this is it. I've joined. So I'll fold it into 2 like this, and I'll close up this place. So this is it. You can see I've sewn this side, this like this. You can see it. So I'll fold it into 2 like this. So I'll piece this last piece and this first piece together, and I'll push this one in like this. And I'll sew. So I'll start sewing like that. As I'm sewing, I'm pulling these ones out to sew them together. I'll show you while I'm doing that on the sewing machine. So you can see I'm pulling it. So I won't finish it. This is the place I started sewing from. So I'll leave this place for me to turn it out. So I'll be passing my rope through this place. I still want to reduce it a bit. I want it to be more tiny, so I'll just close it up a bit. So I have this tiny place where I'll be putting my rope in through. So I'll be using this for my rope. I'll be cutting it 2 inches wide. So I'll measure 2 inches and cut wide. And for the length, I'll be adding 10 inches to my main length that I use for this. For this, I use 27 inches. So I'll add 10 inches to that 27 inches. That'll be 37. So the length I'll be cutting is 37 because my rope has to be longer than this. So this is it. I've cut it out. So I'll fold in like this. This is the wrong side. This is the wrong side. So I'll fold in ½ inch in like this. ½ inch in like this. So you can see, folded like this, folded like this. Then this place, I'll fold it like this. This upper part, I'll fold it like this. Then I'll fold like this. So I'll start my sewing from here. I'm sewing at this edge like that, straight down to the entire length of the fabric that I cut. So this is my rope, sewn it. So I'll pass it in. So I'll pass it in through this place. I'll use my safety pin. So I've passed it in. So I tied this place. I'll tie this place also. See? So this is the place I passed it in through. So this is it. You can see, it's so beautiful. See, this beautiful. So this is actually more lovely if you don't want to pack your hair too tight. You don't want it to be too firm. So you can use this drawstring or rope to control the firmness. It can be very tight, you can see. And I'm sure this is a gift your client will actually appreciate. So you just tie it here. And there's a way you can also tuck it in. I'll show you a video of that. So you can see. So beautiful. If this class was helpful, if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. With a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching.